Hi everyone! In this video, we will show exactly how to download Spotify playlist to MP3. First, open your Spotify app. From here, go to your library on the bottom section. Now tap on the plus icon on the top right. Then select Playlist. Now create a new playlist. After you're done creating the playlist, you can see there are some songs already added as recommended. Now just tap on Add to this playlist and then search and add songs that you like. Add as many songs as you like. And after you're done, tap on the cancel icon on the top left. As you can see, all the songs are added to your playlist. Now just tap on the download icon here. And now the songs will be downloaded to your phone. Note that you need Spotify Premium in order to access this service. And it's done. Thank you for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.